Alright guys, Matt with Daily Racer. I am back out with Fred today in his 78 Trans Am. And we're gonna go do stupid stuff. Right?
Hopefully not get another ticket.
Okay, so for the people that may have not watched the other video, give me a quick recap of what this guy is.
It's a 78 Trans Am with a 462 stroker, Pontiac motor, fuel injected, coilovers, whole thing's built like an old Hillclimb race car.
Guys, quick video today. Sorry, we will get back to the races at Pikes Peak. Just had to do something quick because I'm not going to be able to get 2 episodes out this week with traveling to Wisconsin for Road America. But stay tuned, more with Myriad, and then we're going to be doing some stuff with Tomo as well and his team.